guys can see, I'm actually using my Tello here. Of course, I got this HDMI cable to plug in here. Goggles, and it's kind of weird, but I'm gonna go ahead and see if this guy can actually, you can use FPV using the live feed on this goggles and go from here. So got live feed on my drone here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just flip him up, and then I actually have a live feed. Pretty cool for Tello, something different. If you guys see, that's what you see right inside, and it's working. So if you have they call this, so if you have Tello, you can actually hook up your goggles, and then you can do do some cool tricks. You see that? Let me back up one more time. So you can do some side tricks to it. This is from the goggles. And here you go again. Back up to the screen, and then you can do flips. So it's cool. So it works. And so this is what you see from the screen on the goggles on both sides, and that's what you see on my phone. But you can see here, by having this in my camera mode, it's much clearer than my screen. See, I don't know, or maybe I just brighten up, but anyway, from watching my screen here and watching my screen on the goggles, you can see it, it's much clearer. So if you're gonna go ahead and use the goggles, this DJI goggle, it's not bad, man. I mean, the video quality, what you're getting, I mean, I had Iching goggles in the past, and I had Fat Shark, I'm sorry, but it wasn't really like this. So you can see right now I'm doing live feed at the same time, and it's moving. That'd be nice if I could just use my goggles. If I use my goggles, it'd be nice. But you can see that it's landing. Turn on the I'm just gonna stick it right here. You guys gonna go ahead and see exactly what I'm gonna do. Hold on. And now what you're seeing is from the goggles, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and you can see left off. So it works. It's HDMI cable. So you can see it. I mean, I'm trying to put this together. It does work. But right now, see, I'm just using HDMI cable to my phone. But you can see how clear it is. I'm surprised. And even using a Tello camera on this guy, it's awesome. So I can't screen record, because the reason why I can't do a screen record, because I put the HDMI cable on and it will not let me. But what you can see, here you go, see, I'm just moving around, and then you can see, and whatever what it sees, that's what it sees. So it's cool, man. You know, for having this goggle is two things. People gonna hate it and people gonna like it. It's one of those trick things. So if you're into like drones, then yes, you would see yourself do it. But having this goggle is not bad. So I'm gonna do some tricks to it. Let me do some flips. Okay, and it's pretty advanced, pretty fast too. See? And then I'm gonna do a flip. See? Oh, it's almost right there in my face. All right. Okay. Well, you can see you do a good job. And now I'm doing a flip. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go back. And then I'm gonna go ahead and then I'm gonna go ahead and land. And I'm gonna go ahead and quick land. And you can see how precise it is. I'm doing it, and you can see. So everything is not bad. So yeah. Interesting. I didn't really seen this on the Tello yet. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I did it with the Tello.